You guys check out that delicious rice pudding. Hi guys, welcome back. So today you guys, we got an exciting video today. You guys, I'm bringing one of my mother old time favorites. That's right. But how's all of you guys doing? Good. Okay, so today you guys, I am going to create her raisin rice pudding. Now this was one of her old time favorites, you guys, and yes, your girl wanted to create it. So we're going to start off with cracking up some eggs right here. And yeah, we're going to put them in a separate bowl. We're going to put them in a separate bowl, you guys. And we're going to put us a light scramble on the eggs, you guys. Because you want to make sure that you mix it well. You want to make sure that you mix it well. Now this is the idea for your leftover rice, and depending on what rice, how much rice you got, you might want to add a little more. So I'm assuming that I have approximately a cup and a half of rice, and I mix that right on in here, you guys. And I have some softened butter, so I'm gonna add me a little softened butter in here, because it's not gonna do anything. No, so don't be scared to add you a little butter in there. Because we're going to bake this recipe off, you guys. And make sure that butter is softened. That's how I prefer it. Yes. Now, the good thing about this recipe is you can actually make your rice al dente. I guess that's what you would call it. If you guys hear llama, that's just the people doing their grass. So now I am going to add a cup of granulated sugar, and I'm only going to add that 1 cup. And we have some vanilla, and we're going to mix that right on in here. Now you guys can actually add whatever you like, but I'm going with raisins. And we got us some milk right here. And that's it to this recipe, you guys. That is it. And you will have your old time favorite rice pudding. And some people don't bake it, but I'm baking it because I have eggs in here. And I believe that's the only way you can make them. If you know another way of making rice pudding without adding the eggs, let me know. So yes, this is an old time southern recipe, you guys. And we're going to use some sun-made raisins, because your girl had got a box and a half here, you know. And it's on you how many raisins you want to put in yours. I'm not going to tell you to put this amount of raisins, because this all depends on how you like raisins floating throughout it. I hate when raisins are sticking. You know, I don't know if my grandson, Carter, or the other grandkids I don't know if I ever recreated this meal for them. But meantime, I do have a casserole over here already sprayed with some nonstick. And that is it. That is it. To this recipe. And we're going to go on and pour this right on in this casserole. because I needed to get rid of that leftover rice. And yes, your girl mixed it in the pot. Okay? That was her choice. And we're going to go on and put this in the oven on 350. And we're going to let that bake and do its thing. You guys, check out this delicious rice pudding. Oh my goodness. This rice pudding brings back so many beautiful memories with my mom growing up. You guys, I cannot believe it. Oh my goodness. Why it came to me to do this rice pudding recipe, who knows? Okay? May my mother and sister and father rest in heaven. You guys, along with my nephew. Okay? But yeah, let's get back to this rice pudding. This was one of my mom's favorite. Okay? She did not believe in messing over or throwing away your rice. Because it's a easy, simple dessert. Now, I like to end, you guys. But I want to bring that out to show you guys. Check that rice pudding out. Oh, my goodness. Who else loves rice pudding? Uh-oh. You got to get it because it's breaking. Don't want a messed up picture, right? But anyhow, let your girl taste this rice pudding. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Yes, it's sweet. And yeah, a sweet, savory. You guys, oh my goodness. And I just love the crust. I love the crust. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I could eat that all day. But anywho, I hope you enjoyed your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it with your leftover rice. It's simple. Add you some sugar. You a little butter if that's what you prefer. And milk. And a little vanilla. And yeah, don't forget 1 or 2 eggs, you know. Add it to your pudding. It's not going to hurt anything. But yeah, you guys, that's it. That's all you need. And you can enjoy you some rice pudding dessert. Easy, simple, affordable dessert. You guys, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing over here on this channel. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, come join. If this is what you like, okay? Just don't smash the button for nothing. But anywho, I am going to send much love from my house to yours. And I'll see you guys on the next video. So enjoy. Bye.